Hey, Steve Basic Architect out here at our Historic Reno. So one of the interesting things when you do these historic renovation projects on these old houses, I call them vertically challenged. A lot of them are old capes, but we end up with some spaces like this in here where the rafters come down and you have knee walls. You can see here where we cut this in and headed it off so that we can get access from the old stairway into the new suite. We'll still have a little bit of cleanup to do there. But you also, we end up with a mechanical room here that actually has a sloped wall there where we'll actually build a shelf and put the mechanical equipment out there. But, that pretty much transposes everywhere. You can see here we still have the old metal tie rod, but you end up with that space behind the stairs there, space here, and we jump over to that side. Again, we're trying to get that knee wall up to a height where you can successfully get a dresser and maybe a little bit of stuff on top of it, fit in here nice and neat. But that's pretty typical of these old historic homes and pretty much acceptable. Steve Basic Architect, Historic Reno.